Welcome to Team Global Learning System channel. This time I am sharing with you a very beautiful topic, values of network marketing business. The last few years I am very happy to associate with this industry, so that's why I can share with you the values, the principles of this particular industry, network marketing business. The first point, power of positive thinking. Normally people are very much fed up with their current business or current employment, because normally people are following a negative mental attitude in their business, because everybody's every day fed up with their duties, every day they're fed up with their targets. So normally people are always following a negative attitude, but in this industry gives you always a positive mental attitude, and I experience in my lifetime a lot. So I can tell you, power of positive thinking is very important in our life, because this mentality only helps you to achieve your goals. So this is the number one value part in network marketing business. The number 2 point, and this is also very important. Normally we can see that everybody living in this world with a very competitive mind. If you are an employee or if you are a businessman, every day you are competing with your colleagues, or every day you are competing with your competitors. So of course always we are maintaining in our mind in a competency or competitive attitude. But in network marketing it's absolutely, there is a different scenario. That means there is no competition, only cooperation. Because people loving together, people encouraging together to achieve their dreams. So this is a very beautiful value part. There is no competition, only cooperation in network marketing business. Third point, and this is also very important in network marketing business. Normally people are living in a very ordinary mindset. Very few are maintaining a goal-oriented mindset, because a goal is very mandatory in our life, because without a goal we can't succeed in our life. So setting up a goal-oriented mindset is very important in each one's life. So this industry gives you a goal-oriented mindset, because without a goal you can't succeed in this business. So that's why you can attend a lot of training programs, you can experience through a lot of training programs. So normally what happened, people are always setting up a mind to achieve something. So that's why a goal-oriented mindset is very important. So this is a very beautiful value of network marketing business also. Another value part of network marketing is spirit of working as a team. Normally people are working as an individual. Individuality only create noise, but teamwork create music. So if you love to hear the music, if you love to enjoy the music, you can start with the network marketing business. Because if you are working as an individual, it never gives you a protection. But if you are a team player, if you are working as a team, definitely it gives you a protection. So network marketing gives you a value part, and this value part is very beautiful, because working as a team player, because teamwork only gives you the protection. This industry gives you the most valuable point in your life, that is success mentality. Every day we are knowing about success and failures in our life, maybe in your life or your friend's life or your colleague's life. What is success and what is failures? Usually people are mostly likely to be success in our life, but unfortunately they can't achieve the success. But this industry gives you a success mentality, because I want to succeed, I want to achieve my goal, I want to achieve my dreams. This is called success mentality. Normally in our business or in our employment, everybody looking for a compromising life. But this industry gives you a success mentality, because everybody is encouraging you, everybody is motivating you to become a successful person in your life. So creating a success mentality in our life is very important, and this industry definitely will help you that. This industry definitely will help you to achieve that mentality. The another wonderful value part of network marketing business is learning new skills is very important. Normally we are doing an employment or we are doing in a business, we need some special skills or some minimum skills only. But in network marketing, industry gives you a lot of opportunity to improve your lot of skills. That is called leadership skill, organizational skill, communication skill. So these skills definitely gives you another next level of achievement, next level of dreams. So this industry of course try to push you to learn some new skills. If you achieve some new skills, definitely it improve, it multiplied your confidence. So this is a very valuable part. Very few people understand that they have a infinite power, they have a very potential power in their mind. Unfortunately, most of the people think that they are very common, they are very ordinary people. Why this happens? And we can tell you that most of the people, they have limiting beliefs. So that's why they have very limited dreams. They have very short goals. But this industry, the beauty of this industry means this industry gives you to unleash the potential. This industry gives you an opportunity to find out the real inner power in your mind. Because this industry have no ceiling, this industry have no limitations. Because this industry gives you an opportunity to achieve anything in the world under the sky. So that's why you can find out the real inner power in your mind. If you're an employee or if you're a businessman, you have so many limitations and you have so many limiting beliefs. But in this business, you are the boss. The company gives you or the industry gives you the opportunity to design your income and design your life. So you can easily find out the real inner power in your mind. So please let's unleash your inner power in your mind. Everybody wants to fly, but they can't. Why? Because as we already discussed, because people have so many limiting beliefs. So that's why I want to add one very, very beautiful value point into network marketing. That is the spirit of freedom. The freedom have three classifications: the personal freedom, financial freedom, and emotional freedom. And all these three freedoms are very important in our life. Personal freedom. Now we can see that if you are an employee, you are not free from your job maybe 24 hours, because if maybe you are going to your office at 9 o'clock and you are back to home at 5, but out of that time always you are pressuring that job. That means 24 hours you are pressuring with that job. And if you are a businessman, the same scenario happen in business also. So you have no personal freedom, but this industry gives you a personal freedom, and of course the financial freedom. And you know, you are very experiencing that every day in your life. If you go to if you go to a hotel, if you go to a shop, you can experience that how much financially you free. So these two freedoms are very important in our life, and the most important freedom is emotional freedom. Normally, the study shows that 95% of the people are they are not free from their emotions. Every day they are having very stress, every day they are having very strain, very tensions. So the freedom, the spirit of freedom is very important in our life. So network marketing gives you an ultimate freedom in your life, because this industry have no boss, as I already told you. This industry gives you an ultimate freedom to design your life and to design your income. So the spirit of freedom is very important in network marketing. Another proud value of network marketing is you can contribute to a growth of a nation. This is very, very important. If you're an ordinary person, maybe you can't participate, maybe you can't give that much contribution to a growth to your country. But in network marketing business, within very short time, you can become an extraordinary person. You can become a rich person in network marketing within very short time. So of course, that time you can contribute, you can help to grow this nation directly. So this is a very proud value of network marketing business, because you become a proud taxpayer. And this is very important in network marketing business, and this is very important in your personal life also. From the last few years of experience with the network marketing business, I learned a very beautiful point with this business. That is, this industry gives you to become a role model. Normally we have role models in our life. Maybe celebrities, maybe sports stars, maybe film stars. Everybody like them, everybody love them. And to be a person like that person. So my question is very different. Do you have a real wish to become a role model in your life? A role model means to motivate people, to inspire people, to help people. So this is very important. Normally, if you are a job, if you are an employee, or if you are an employer, this doesn't gives you to become an extraordinary. But in network marketing, this opportunity gives you to become an extraordinary person, to become a role model of many. So this is a very beautiful value point. From my last few years experience with the network marketing business, I can proudly tell you, you can become a role model, and you can become a celebrity, you can become a very inspiring person, and you can become a history. And this is the value of network marketing business, my dear friends. So finally, I can tell you the value of network marketing is beyond your imagination. So let's sign up with a network marketing company and break your all limitations. Thank you very much.